Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show UK 49 prediction for Friday 7 November 2025. Today lunchtime single prediction numbers. Number 8, number 10, number 16, number 23, number 36, number 44. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat. Number 8, number 10, number 16, number 23, number 36, number 44. Today lunchtime second prediction numbers. Number 11, number 17, number 25, number 37, number 47, number 48. Now lunchtime second prediction number repeat. Number 11, number 17, number 25, number 37, number 47, number 48. Today lunchtime bonus ball numbers. Number 36 or number 42. Now lunchtime bonus ball number repeat. Number 36 or number 42. So friends, complete today lunchtime prediction numbers. Please like my video. Now tea time prediction for Friday 7 October 2025. Today time single prediction numbers. Number 1, number 3, number 14, number 19, number 30, number 40. Today time single prediction number repeat. Number 1, number 3, number 14, number 19, number 20, 30. Okay. Now tea time second prediction numbers. Number 13, number 27, number 32, number 43, number 48, number 49. Three times second prediction number repeat. Number 13, number 27, number 32, number 43, number 48, number 49. Now tea time bonus ball numbers. Number 38 and number 47. Today's time bonus ball number repeat. Number 38 and number 47. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for next draw notification.